Hello families, finally we have arrived NJP, and then we are moving out from NJP station towards the border of India and Nepal, and then very soon we are going to reach the border, and then I am going to go inside Nepal, and it's going to take us around 40 to 45 minutes to reach the border. So this is the outside of Siliguri NJP station, and then I have taken the sheer cab, and then it's like not very far from NJP station to the border of Nepal and India. It just might be around 40 to 45 minutes if the traffic is not that congested, but if the traffic is more, then it might take more than 1 hour. So this is the outside of the station, so that for anyone, new people who plan to come towards here in NJP, they can able to see in advance, so that they will be familiar with the places. So this is the outside, the exit of NJP train station. So hopefully as I enter to the border, I will try to update more and then upload more on my channel. So God bless you all. Do continue to pray for me. Thank you so much. Enjoy the view, the road. The video seems to be a little shaky because I'm a little tired. I couldn't sleep properly inside the train last night. Though I came comfortably in the AC bogie, but then still they were very crowded. And my hand is shaking right now. But I do believe that even the video is shaking, you can able to see this is the driver brother who is driving the car and taking us across the border. See you later to all my subscribers. God bless you all. Bye.